Hi guys! We're about to embark on a delicious journey into the heart of pizza making magic. Observe as we gracefully introduce the flour to our container, setting the stage for pizza perfection. Now, let's mix things up by adding the yeast to our flour. Into our extra large mixer, go the flour and yeast, followed by a generous pour of water. Now, we put the big hat on our mixer, and it's time for the mixer to do a big squishy dance with the flour and yeast. Oh wait, is it sugar? Well, yes, adding sugar to pizza dough is like giving a sweet boost to the yeast, making it rise. Time for the yummy toppings. Cut the meat down. Be careful with the knife. Wow! Now, let's get this machine humming and start slicing up these thin, tasty meat slices. Next up, let's stack these delicious slices neatly in the container and give them a cozy wrap to keep them from getting dry. Ready? Let's go! Spread the flour generously onto a surface. We are taking our dough out of the big mixer. Let's gently put our dough on the sprinkled surface, like we're laying a comfy blanket. Then, we'll roll it up from the edges. Divide it into equal parts. Now, let's make cute dough balls. Sprinkle them with lots and lots of flour dust. Grab your cheese and let's get slicing. Now, let's build a cheese tower, stacking those slices oh so nicely. Time to roll out our dough, making it super thin and spreading it evenly in the pizza pan. Let's get that pizza base just right. it rise for some time. Meanwhile, open up these large cans of pizza sauce. We'll sieve it to make it extra smooth. Now, we'll add a dash of spices to make our sauce extra tasty. Get ready to slice and dice our pepperoni friends for the ultimate pizza party. Now, let's give those super fresh looking veggies a chop. Season it with parsley, fresh garlic, black pepper, salt and olive oil. Assemble all our topping ingredients nicely. Let's spread our secret pizza sauce all over the dough like painting a tasty masterpiece. Sprinkle the seasoning on top. Pour oil. And here it goes into the oven. Oh God! Can you hear the sizzle? I'm hungry. And back into the oven. Add cheese slices on top generously. Bake it again until the cheese melts. Shift it onto a cool tray and slice it evenly. Looks delicious, isn't it? Let's add the toppings now. Time for a shredded cheese rain. And more cheese. Let's bake this slice again for all the cheesy goodness. Wow! Let me taste it for you guys. After all, I did a lot of hard work. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. Love you all.